So you want to delete your Instagram account? You're welcome to AppFix and In. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete Instagram accounts. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Right here on the screen is the home page of my Instagram app. So at the bottom of the screen, you can see your profile right there. You need to go ahead and click on it and click on the three line icon at the top right corner of your screen. When you do that, looking right here, you can see Account Center. So you can go ahead and click on Account Center, scroll down gently and click on Manage Account. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on Manage on the Instagram profile that you want to actually delete. So you can go ahead and click on Manage like this. Now looking here, you can see Deactivate or Deletion. So you can go ahead and click on Deactivate or Deletion like this, and then go ahead and select Delete Account. When you do that, go ahead and click on Continue at the bottom of your screen. So right here, you can see this. It says here that you're going to lose access to the following: your account on trends, your followers, your posts, your stories, your reels, the items you actually saved on Instagram. You're going to lose all of this once you choose to continue with this process. So you can actually choose to continue by clicking on Continue like this. Now it says here deleting your Instagram account. Why are you deleting your Instagram account? So you need to give Instagram a reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. So let's say you just want to take a break or any other reason. So let's say just need a break. So after selecting that, you need to go ahead and click on Continue like this. Now looking here, it says yes, deactivate instead, or you can go ahead and click on No, continue with deletion. So when you go ahead and click on No, continue with deletion like this, looking here, you can see where it says continue. But before that, looking here, you can see where it says export your information. So if you choose to export your information before deleting your Instagram account, you can go ahead and click on export your information and export your information. Otherwise, you can go ahead and click on continue at the bottom of the screen. So when you do that, they're going to request for your password. So you just need to go ahead and input your correct Instagram password right here. Then click on continue to confirm that you are the one that wants to delete your Instagram account, and your Instagram account is going to be automatically deleted. This is how simple it is to delete your Instagram account. So hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.